What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to blur an image in Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. When you're done editing your layer and you wish to add a blur effect, then make sure to select it in your layer window. Right click the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This will allow you to add effects without permanently changing your original. To add the blur effect, navigate to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. You'll see a pin in place blurring the entire image. Change the value on this circle in order to increase or decrease the blur intensity on the whole image. In case you prefer a different blur effect, then click on Cancel and try out a different blur, such as the iris blur. This will allow you to place a circle around your subject and blur the background. When clicking on OK, the blur effect will be applied. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.